In order to make a sunflower, first I am going to draw a circle. Then in the middle of the circle, I am going to draw a plus sign. Then over the plus sign, I am going to draw a cross sign. Then I am going to erase the inner part of the circle. Then I am drawing the petals over these lines. The petals are so easy to make over these lines. I am using this pencil so lightly because I am going to erase these lines after that. Then I am going to draw the stem. Sunflower leaf is a little bit pointy. That's why I have drawn these pointy ends. Here I am using this dark black color to darken the sunflower outline, and I am erasing this lightly. I did not erase this completely, as you can still see the lines here, and I am drawing over these lines, and this is completed. I am using this yellow color to color out the petals. Now I am using this brown color to color the inner part of the sunflower. I am using this in a circular motion to avoid the messy lines. Now I am going to take an orange color to shade the petals from the corners. Gives the sunflower so beautiful and natural look. Now to color the stem, I am using this dark green color. To color the leaf, I am using this light green color. Shade out the edges of the leaf, and for that I'm using a dark green one. completed now. Now I'm drawing the veins of the leaf.